adding stuff so you can get 5 more horsepower so you can catch my car.
Hey, the hood is open on the car.
Horsepower?
It's gonna breathe better. It's gonna run faster.
What is that?
Yes, 5 more horsepower.
Hey, it looks like a butt. Right, look
Don't show Moses that.
Oh no, he's gonna like it. Moses will be like, so the customer's ready to pick it up and ready to car wash.
Intake, air intake.
Bro, he's doing every single thing so he can just...
You can pass you a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. But
do it.
still can.
This is gonna add maybe like, I don't know, like
5.
What is it, like 5 horsepower?
no, like 30, 20, maybe like 25.
Sarkis would get this if he could.
Bro, mine is stuck.
Tried to get a Urus, but they didn't approve you. He tried. He did everything. He called the bank and he said, "Please, please give me 350 grand."
No, I got
Oh,
approved.
Podcast 59. There's proof on Podcast 59 that he tried to get a Urus.
Bro, I got
He didn't
a more
approve.
expensive car approved.
Oh, you did?
Okay, show me a car here is payout.
Mine?
Yeah,
No, in the shop. None.
Well, how would he know?
I mean, I would know.
I know.
You don't even know how to write estimates.
True. Because whenever I read it,
Come on, oh, he brings Sarkis down. Come work here and you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, look. Yeah, it looks real.
You know how to do it?
No, it's easy. I just take these off right here.
Yeah,
1, 2. That's it. And then new one goes in there. You're done.
Santos estimates 30 more horsepower.
25. Let's say 25.
The filter doesn't give you 25 horsepower. It's gonna sound better.
Oh, it's gonna sound better.
Yeah.
Is the car ready, washed and ready for customer to pick it up?
Yep. Cool. Ready to go.
All this is free.
Oh, it goes to the front and then it's cool.
Right.
Ugly, very restrictive double kind of filters, and this has the more airflow. Same design, they pretty much copied, so it's a direct fitment, but more airflow. And then obviously this pretty forged carbon fiber in that pipe. So now when we put the engine cover on, this will all disappear. You'll see a little bit of this APR in the pipe and 22% more air volume, airflow. Should sound honestly cooler too, but yeah. It's pretty cool to offer this product for the Urus and the RSQ8s and those, obviously the Bentayga as well, all the same. So get your intakes here, get rid of this nasty thing and put on some more airflow, put on exhaust system, get your tune. We're also gonna probably change the radiators to the CSF radiators. Just play with the car a little bit more. But you know, I'm not gonna change the turbos or anything like that because I drive this thing every day and I still want it to be reliable. Still love the car. It's still my favorite car and it still looks amazing on the road. So just a little upgrade to my car. These are all available here now at RDB. Get them installed. We have an RS6 that we're going to be installing, a full exhaust, different kind of intake system, CSF radiators, all kinds of stuff. That'll be on probably on the next episode. So stay tuned for that. But yeah. This amazing Audi RS6 behind me, and it has our RDB signature wheels. These are the classic style with the biggest step lip we could put on them possible. Literally the front and back have a big step lip and it looks amazing in the polished and brushed configuration. Goes really good with this Nardo gray color. And now we're happy to introduce the 1016 Industries carbon fiber styling kit for this car. As you can see already, there's several components that were added onto this vehicle, such as the side skirt extensions. So you see these right here were installed. You can see the hood, which you could paint in any theme you want. You could leave it carbon fiber, you could paint it full body color. We did a partial just to test it around, but in my opinion, a full exposed or a full painted carbon fiber theme would look really nice on it. You have a very, very nice looking front spoiler, and then you have that beefy rear end with that big diffuser with the slits, and you even have a roof spoiler. And obviously it's slammed. This car really drives well even in this configuration. It's slammed, like I could barely put a finger in there, and it drives really, really good as well. So it has a intake system from APR, just like my Urus now, and it has an exhaust system as well. So it sounds good, performs good, it's tuned, full body kit, slammed on RDB signature wheels. I teased this car before and a lot of people asked when are you going to put on the video. Well, here you go. We had a flash flood warning and we took it out for a ride for you guys. It was a little hard in LA when it's raining and it's all flooded. And then we took it somewhere undisclosed location and we're just doing little cruising and whatever, and I kind of lost control. And it turned into a donut. There's some donuts with the RS6 in the rain, so hope you guys enjoy the content.
yesterday. You took it next time. Yes, and I don't have it. I don't know where it is.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me, boy. What do you say? Talk loud, brato. Don't scare.
For your car, the A-Class. The front
For
bumper.
my car.
The E-Class. This is yours, Papa. This is yours. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 186. I'm giving you 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Sign right here. 9 parts.
Why does he have to sign it?
Huh?
Why is he signing it?
So whenever I check the parts, I tell him how many parts is there, and he has to sign it. He's taking like how many parts. He's signing. He's taking 9
So
parts
he's
from it.
responsible.
Yeah. Okay, this is yours.
I didn't work on
No, okay, that's him too. Oh, this is yours too, Papa. Hold
Oh,
on.
you already messed up. You already gave up.
This is the headlight.
Okay.
Okay, can you check this?
For which car is this?
S-Class.
You did it, man. Good job.
You can hear
Way
it.
better, huh?
You can hear the difference. I've had intake systems 15 years ago. I know. You can hear it sucking. As soon as you press the gas pedal fast, you hear it. Smart ass. I used to have an engine on Mitsubishi with a turbo booster.
You want to race in the rain, bit?
Yeah, down. I'm down.
Sarkis would total his car before he gets his fingers.
Look, there's a Cullinan here with sparkles in it. This is a wrap. This is factory body color. As you can see, the customer wanted very, very fine pearl white wrap to do a two-tone look, and we found this by Hexus. It's like a blue pearl in it. All the other pearls we found were like colorful pearls, so this actually looks pretty cool. In the sun, it looks even better, honestly. And this customer, every 3 months, changes the appearance of his Cullinan and his other cars. So I'm sure we'll be changing this in a few months, but for now, really cool pearl white wrap from Hexus.
Alright, what are these?
Those are shirts that we didn't wear. It's brand new shirts.
Okay. We're gonna pass them out to everyone, or what do we do? I might need some medium, extra large. That's good.
No, extra large is good. It makes you look nice.
Yeah.
With your awkward shoulders.
That's XL?
Yeah.
Yeah, but once it's fine. Hey, they're coming after you. You go jury duty. You guys, Moses
He's got
skipped
a
jury
pound.
duty.
Oh, yeah.
I did a
nice.
fake, I wrote a fake message saying that your jury duty's canceled. And he said, okay. And then some guy was in front of his house last night. Who was it? A cop?
I don't know. I think it was a sheriff.
They stopped everybody and they come after Moses. I wonder why.
Oh, that's a nice hoodie.
Oh, this is nice.
That's the one I gave you. Yeah. That's a nice one. It's a limited. It's gone. There's no more. It's sold out. You know, Los Angeles. Repair,
Very nice.
design, and build. R.
Yeah.
D.
It's very nice.
B. You like it?
Yeah, this is a good one. It's gonna rain
There you
tomorrow. We need it.
What are you gonna do? Use this umbrella?
No, we're gonna wear it. It's gonna be cold.
What about your snow jacket?
You guys destroyed it already. Look.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!